Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Mammoth 2-inch billet 6-lug wheel spacers fitting your 99 and newer Chevy Silverado 1500 models. These are perfect for the truck owner who wants a wider stance to their Silverado without having to upgrade their wheels. These 2-inch wheel spacers are sold as a pair and will allow you to achieve a wider stance to your truck. They feature a durable billet aluminum construction with a black anodized finish and include pre-installed wheel studs as well as lug nuts. These spacers have a 6x5.5 to 6x5.5 bolt pattern and are designed to work with factory as well as most aftermarket wheels. These are sold as a set of 2 spacers that you see here and also includes a bottle of Loctite for use on your factory studs. So as far as price goes, these spacers come in at around $125, making them a budget-friendly way to give your truck a more aggressive stance. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. They do feature a direct bolt-up install with no modification required and can be done within 30 minutes. So with that said, let's check out that install. For this install, we used a floor jack, impact gun, 22 and 19 millimeter sockets, as well as a torque wrench. So the first step in the uninstall is to just grab your jack and jack up on the truck by the wheel that you're going to be changing. Now you can go ahead and remove your wheel. These lug nuts are a 22, so grab that 22 millimeter socket and get them removed. Now you can remove your wheel. Next up, we can get the spacer bolted on. Now before we do that, I do want to point out that Loctite was included with this kit. It definitely is a wise move to put a drop on each of these studs before you bolt it down to help hold it in place. Now because this is for demonstration, we are going to skip that. We're just going to get this spacer bolted up for now. Slide it over the factory studs, grab the included lug nuts and thread them on. Now that all of the lug nuts are on, you can grab a 19 millimeter socket and tighten these down. Make sure you are tightening in that star pattern the same as your wheels. Then once all of your lugs are installed, go ahead and grab a torque wrench and torque them down to 140 foot-pounds. You may need to have someone go inside your truck and hold the brake. And make sure you are torquing in that star pattern, the same one that we tightened them down in. Now you can reinstall your wheel over top of those studs and then install those factory lugs. Then go ahead and tighten these down in the star pattern as well. Then go ahead and lower the truck. And then make sure to grab your 22mm socket with a torque wrench and torque it to 140 foot-pounds. All right, now that everything is on and torqued down, I did want to mention that you should plan to check torque of both the spacer and the wheel periodically to ensure nothing has loosened up. But that is going to do it for the review and install of this wheel spacer. And remember, for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.